people, thanks for joining me, and I'm here to shoot this video. I just wanted to tell you, learn to enjoy your journey, learn to be satisfied with where you are, and know that God has something great for you. Don't plan for anything. Don't even criticize why things are not happening the way you want, because at the end of the day, it's only God who knows your destiny. It's only God who knows how far you are getting and where you are heading to. And people will always criticize. They will always say, unagojea nini? Unataka nini? You are being choosy, blah blah blah. You know what? That has nothing to do with your journey. Trust your journey. Wait. Be patient, and you will surely enjoy the fruits of patience. Goodbye.